Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a 15-minute AMRAP, so as many rounds as possible. One single dumbbell, that's all we need for today. We have 3 different exercises plus a nice 30-second rest. We're gonna get started in about 10 seconds. Preview is always gonna be right here, and 30-second rest is give or take 1 or 2 seconds. Grab your dumbbell and let's go for some swings. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. We're going for 20. 1, 2, 3. Heavy dumbbell today. 4. A lot of counting for me. I apologize in advance. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Halfway there. Keep it up. 2, 3. Rotate nicely. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. Stay right here. Give me around the world. 5 in each direction. 3, 4. Careful with that dumbbell. Don't want to drop it. And switch directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch directions. Ready? 1, 2. Remember, 15 minutes of this. 3, 4, 5. Switch directions. 1, 2. Last set. 3, 4, 5. On the ground for the next one, some kneeling wood choppers. You guys ready? 5 per side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it up. 5. Rest. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Control that weight. 4, 5. Rest. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we rest for about 30 seconds. And we keep on going, 15 minutes, over and over and over, same things. Whew, 20 more seconds left. We pick it up right at the top with the lateral swings. Whew. In 10 seconds, you guys ready to go? Get ready, shake those arms out. We'll get moving in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3. Rotate nicely. 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8. We're going for 20. 9. Halfway there. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. Stay right here. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the ground. Kneel down. Grab the dumbbell. 5 on each side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop, switch. Come on, 1. A lot of counting for me today. I apologize. 3, 4, 5. Stop, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one before we take a break. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. 5. Weight down. Relax. 30 seconds break. We go again. We're about 5 minutes in, 4.5 minutes in. 15 minutes. That's all we got. Ten more seconds, I think. I always lose count. Close enough, right? Close enough. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 4. Keep it up. Full rotation. Halfway there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay right here. Going around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. Come on. 1. Don't drop the weight. 2, 3. Slow down. 4. Come on, Paul. Slow down. 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the ground. Kneeling wood choppers. Ready? 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And switch. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. And 5. Stop. Switch. Last ones. 2, 3, 4, 5. Weight down. And we take a break. 30 seconds. We go again. Till clock stops at 15 minutes, I should say. Not the clock stops. I'm getting tired. I can't think anymore. This is lovely. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. We got about 12 more seconds or so. 10 more seconds. Right back to the top. 20 swings. Ready in 5 seconds. 2, 1. Grab that heavy dumbbell and let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1, 2. Stay right here. Grab that weight. Getting tired. Make sure you don't drop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch directions. 1. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5. Switch directions. 1, 2, 3. Stay stable. 4. Come on. 5. Switch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Last one. 4, 5. On the ground. Wood choppers. 5 in each direction. Ready? Let's go. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4. Heavyweight. 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Stop. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And stop and rest. 30 seconds. We're about 10 minutes in, and we're gonna keep moving till the clock strikes 15 minutes. Keep it up, stay with me, come on. We're almost there, give yourselves a hand. We have a little more rest left, and then we get going. I believe we have 10 seconds left. Ready? 5 seconds. Start grabbing that weight. 2, 1, and swing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7. Swing. 8. Keep it up. 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we go around the world. Ready? 5 in each direction. 2. Come on. 3, 4. Don't drop to 8. 5. I get close a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. Last round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the ground. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's getting heavy. 5. Switch directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And ready and switch. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Switch. 1. Come on. 2. Up. 4. One more. 5. Dumbbell down. Relax. All right, I said we do one more round. It'll be close enough for 15 minutes. Might be a little bit short. That's all right. Wait right here. You got 20 more seconds left. And let's get a nice last round, best round, as they say, right? Let's do the best that we can. A little extra effort in this one. We'll get started in 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Boom. Big swings. Side to side. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep moving. 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. Halfway. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay right here. Go around the world 20 times. Ready? Let's go. 1. A lot of counting. 3, 4, 5. At 5, we switch directions, right? By now, you better know it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch the last final time for the day. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. On the ground. Ready? And let's go. 1. Good balance. 2, 3. Rotate. 4, 5. Stop. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stop. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Switch. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I see we are a minute short. A minute short. I'm gonna keep on hopping around. Let's go. 1 minute. Pretend jump rope. Keep moving until we reach 15 minutes. I know this is not quite core, but that's all right. A little bit of cardio. 1 minute of cardio. Nobody's gonna die doing 1 minute of cardio. Keep it up. We're going for full 15 minutes of movement. Keep moving. 40 more seconds. Come on. Keep jumping with Paul. Hope you guys were challenged today by this workout. Hope you use a heavy enough dumbbell. If you didn't, come back again, do it with a heavier dumbbell. That's all right. Everybody's welcome, all skill levels. We got 20 more seconds left. All abilities, all ages. Keep moving. Move a little bit every day, remember. Okay, if it's walking your dog, walking your children, walking your grandchildren, gardening, jogging, whatever it is, keep moving, stay active. 5 more seconds and we'll be done. 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Give yourselves a hand, guys. Thank you for joining me at Fit at the 50. My name is Paul. This is our basement. Workouts come on every Monday and every Thursday. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.